Hi friends! Everything you're about to hear comes from recommendations shared by the technicians at this appliance repair shop, who have a lot of experience with this type of issue, so let's get it fixed. When a customer brings in their dishwasher showing E4, they almost always say something like, "It was washing," and suddenly E4 appeared on the screen and it wouldn't drain the water. Basically, this means the machine detected a problem with the drain, and for safety, it stopped to prevent further damage to the pump or motor. Interestingly, many customers say they tried unplugging or restarting it, but the error comes back immediately. One told us, "I unplugged it for half an hour and nothing, it was the same." This shows that it's not always a serious electronic fault. Most of the time, it can be fixed by checking filters, pumps, and hoses. In the shop, when we open the dishwasher, we often find that the filters are full of food scraps or grease, and the drain pump may have something stuck. One technician explained, "If the water can't exit, the machine detects it and triggers E4 to protect the motor. So the solution often starts with a careful basic cleaning." Additionally, we've seen that a bent or pinched drain hose can completely block the water flow. One expert technician told us, "I just adjusted the hose and the error disappeared. I couldn't believe it." This shows that sometimes fixing it is simpler than it seems and doesn't require replacing any expensive parts. Some Smeg bulletins also indicate that if the error persists even after cleaning the filters and checking the hose, there may be a problem with the drain pump or control board. In those cases, a shop technician recommends taking the unit to an authorized service center, where they safely inspect and replace only the necessary parts.